Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 10th, 2022. Solana. Yeah, look how insane this chart is right now in Solana. What do you all think? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? What do you think? Just by looking at the chart. Basically, what do you think the market in Solana is going to do? Well, I'm going to show you all that today on this video. So welcome to the channel, HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News, to spot the location that we're going to give you all the news according to the charts, because it gives us information day in and day out that the market trades. You don't have to pay attention to nothing else to get to understand as to what the overall market is feeling for any particular type of cryptocurrency. And I'm here to show you all that. So welcome to the channel. If you like it, hit the like button. If you want to join the community, subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to follow me on all my social media platforms, the links are somewhere here on this platform. Just click on it and follow me, because I'm here to show you that you don't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be confusing, and it doesn't have to be complex. You just want to pay attention and see where the market is going, right? That's it. Everyone is worried about one thing and one thing only, and that's the price. And that's what I focus in on. I don't care about nothing else. I just simply look at the price and where the market is trying to go. You need to do the same thing in order to be more proficient, to see a different viewpoint as to the markets. Everything is not just a buy. Everything is not just a buy the dip opportunity, because the market in some situations, in some markets, continues to fall. But yet and still, people tell you all to continue to buy these dips. The market is telling you something different. Pay attention to the markets. I mean, look at my last price prediction in Solana, right? Yeah, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. You have to pay attention to the markets. So I did a price prediction in Solana on the 24th of January. It's still here on my chart. You guys can still see it, right? I had to pay attention to the markets. I was playing the weakness into the market in Solana right there on the 24th of January, right? Yes. What has the price been doing though? Has it been falling? Is it showing weakness? No, it's not. So I already know I have to pay attention to the charts. When it's not showing me what my perceptions were back in January, I know I didn't get it right. I know the price prediction was wrong and it was incorrect. The market is saying something otherwise. So I need to get rid of this. If I were to get out the market now in Solana, look at that, 36% loss. Yeah, it happens. You're not going to get every prediction correct, but when it doesn't go right, you need to zoom in and pay attention to see what the market was actually telling you, so that you can minimize these losses and say, hold on, I'm not seeing what I saw back in January. Something is not right. I may need to adjust what I was thinking. So look at this. This market in Solana, instead of it continuing to show forth the weakness, let me show it to you, okay? This right here is weakness, right? The market wanted to dip following this particular day, the 26th of January. And it did, no doubt. But look how small that spread was. Did it really fall that far? No, it didn't. And then immediately on the 28th of January, the market closed higher. And then again, look, the 29th of January, the market is speaking to you saying, hey, I know you're looking for the price to go down, but the market is trying to go opposite. And you continually see how the market in Solana was not falling. And then you guys can see it right here on this day, February the 1st. It came up here to where I said that we may need to cut this, right? Might need to let it go. And then you still saw strength right up there again. This shows you what the market is trying to do. Right? It does. So what we need to do is readjust. We need to come in and revamp what we see. So let me get rid of this. And now, what do you all think? Let me zoom out on this price chart, and I want your perception. What do you think now? Are we still in a downtrend? Yes, we are. So even though the market in Solana has reclaimed some higher prices, let's not get it twisted. Let's not be massively bullish, because this is not that environment. We all can see how this downtrend is still intact, right? Solana is still in a downtrend. So we might even continue to go lower, even going forward. So I'm not going to be massively bullish in this prediction. The market here is not coming down here towards $60 yet. That might be further and further down the line in 2022. What we have now is what they call a bear market rally, meaning that price is in a downtrend, but in certain spots, certain increments, you might get an up move, right? Which we're going through right now. Okay, now check this out. Let me get rid of this, and I want us to follow the market. And I'm going to extend the trend. Okay, I want us to follow how high this market in Solana can possibly go. Okay, now you guys can see we don't have that far to go. Either the market downtrend is this, or the market downtrend is this way. Which one do you think is more applicable? Right, I'm going to play the other trend first, okay? Because I want us to get close to where we may see sellers. And you guys can tell that $120 is where we can see the sellers. I mean, we already saw Solana get rejected there already the last 3 or 4 days. You guys can see it's right here. The market already saw some selling occur on the 7th and on the 8th of February. So we definitely need to see the buyers break this to the upside, $120. We have to break $120 to the upside before we maintain and increase our chances of going a lot higher in price. Maybe we might hit 130. What do you think? Look at Solana on a 3-day. This 3-day time frame right here lets us know that this market is losing some gas. Yeah, we're losing gas right now in the market in Solana. So we need to be careful. Price may begin to fall here into the market in Solana. This is it on a 5-day. Do you see that? The last 5 days, the market got rejected at 120. It's not a good thing. Let me show you the market on the 2-day. What do y'all think? Maybe we might get some strength on an hourly time frame. Let's pay attention to the hourly time frame real quick. This is the 11-hour chart. And I want you all to tell me, what do you think? Do you see strength here? Do you see weakness as price in Solana trades around 120? What do you think this means? I've circled it for you. Is it strong? Is it weak? Okay, let me show you it from a different viewpoint. What do you think here? This is 13 hours. Every price bar you see is 13 hours. What do you think? Is that strength? Is that weakness? All right, let me show you from a different viewpoint. This is a 7-hour chart. What do you think? High or low? Three-hour chart. Where do you think this market is trying to go in Solana? Do you see anything? You might not see anything that's playable because the market at times gives you some mixed signals. It gives you some mixed indications as to what to expect. And you might just need to chill out and wait. Every market is not always an opportunity to sell or an opportunity to buy. There are also times where you just need to kick back, let the market continue to trade, because you will see bigger signals as time goes on. The market will drop hints and tell you that this is the most likely way price is going to go. Do you see anything here? Because from my perspective, I don't see a lot. I really don't see the market as being massively bullish or even massively bearish. The only concern that I do see, to which I would be leaning towards seeing Solana go up, is the fact that it is getting rejected around 120, right? We need to see this market. We may have the opportunity to see the price hit 128, 130, and that's about it. That will be the next restriction point for us into the market in Solana. Right there around 130, 128. So hitting this back over on the daily, let's see how far it's that from where price is right now. So it's like another 12.5%. To some, that's pretty good. to others, that's not worth it. What do you think though? Is it worth it? Is it worth coming in and put it on a position to see the market in Solana continue to go up? Because someone is here right now into the market in Solana selling. Someone is here. So the question is, what do you do? Do you wait? Do you come in and buy a little bit, nibble, right? What do you do? Because from my perspective, I'm leaning more towards seeing the price go up in Solana, right? But not high. I really want to set expectation. This is not like, oh, jump into the market right now and let's ride to see prices go up to $200. This is, like I said, this is not that type of market here in Solana. We've already seen the market get rejected here at 120, and the next area will be up here towards like 128, and that's about it. So I'm going to run this price prediction here into the market in Solana, and we got a very small opportunity. So if you see this video late, the decision may have already been made in the next 2 or 3 days for us to see this price go to 120, then 128, and then it's on to the next play. Then it's on to the next opportunity. Okay, so this is it right here. This is my expectations though. I got the comment section open for you to show me, what do you think? Where's Solana going to go in this market? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Real quick, drop me a comment. I've shown you what I think the market is going to do. This is only on a daily basis. It's not like a long-term price prediction because it's definitely not that market. But I want to show you what I'm seeing on this day-to-day basis. So real quick, let me know, drop me a comment and tell me what is your thoughts about Solana. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Where is price headed? Okay, let me know. And that's it. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.